Hello guys, very welcome to Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. It's a very usual problem of swollen legs or the swollen feet during pregnancy. In this video, I'm going to tell you the causes for this and what you can do to alleviate this problem. So first, we will start with the causes. The number one cause is the baby inside the womb is developing, your weight is increasing, and the pressure of the baby's weight is falling on your legs. And due to this increase in the weight and the pressure on the legs, you feel pain and the swelling is there. The number second reason is during the pregnancy, there is more production of blood in your body. Also, the fluid management is bit turbulent, so there is more quantity of blood and the fluid is also there. The fluid retention problem is also there during pregnancy. So this is the number second reason. The number third reason is the hormonal changes. Due to the change in the estrogen and prolactin hormone in your body, the problem of edema, that is swelling, occurs. Next cause is the level of the protein in the urine increases, and this is again a cause for the swelling in the leg. Next cause is during pregnancy, the woman feel so much innervated, loss of energy is always there, and due to which there is less movements, less walking, less activity. So you are relaxing more and you are moving less. This becomes another reason for the swelling in your body and prominently in your legs. If you are standing at a place for a long time, this will also be a cause of your swelling and the pain. If you are sitting in a position where your legs are hanging, that is perpendicular to the ground, this is again a cause for the swelling. So make it sure that you are not hanging your legs for more duration. Now we will talk about some of the remedies that you can do on your own so that you can alleviate this problem. Number one thing is that you have to make it sure that you're not standing for a long time. If you have to stand up, make sure that you're taking small rest in between. If you're sitting, then make sure that your legs are not all the time perpendicular to the floor, because this brings more pressure on your legs. You can straighten your legs, make it parallel to the ground. For this, you can take support of a stool or another chair. Make sure that you are sitting comfortably with the support of cushions. Second thing you can do is to manage your weight. So this is a quite big misconception that you have to eat more during pregnancy and you have to eat for two people, that is you and for the developing baby inside the womb. And due to this misconception, pregnant woman eats too much and this will accumulate undue fat in your body, which is not at all good for your pregnancy as well from the point of delivery, because this can be the case of the overweight baby and then the normal delivery chances decreases. So make it sure that you are not overweight, eat balanced diet, but make sure that you are not getting fat. Next is to do proper exercise. If you are doing exercise, make sure that you are not doing it alone. Be in the supervision of an expert. You can completely avoid doing exercise if you are choosing walking. Walking is a very good exercise. It helps you a lot in various problems in pregnancy. So the thing is that you should not sit idle, don't relax too much. You should always take the morning and the evening walk of approximately 30 minutes. This will help you a lot in various problems of pregnancy. Next is to go for the massage. You can take any oil and go for a easy massage on your legs, on your whole body. It is really good and it will increase the blood flow in your body. This will not only help you in alleviating the problem of swelling, but also the leg cramps, that is again a very common problem during pregnancy. Make sure while massaging you should not press your body too much at the sensitive areas. If you are taking the massage from an expert, it is good for you. Next is to wear comfortable clothes. It is very much important because during the pregnancy your weight is increasing, your body size is increasing, and the clothes that you used to wear are getting tight. Do not try to make yourself fit in your old clothes. Go for the new clothes. Go for cotton clothes, loose clothes, because if you are wearing the tight clothes, you're hampering the blood flow in the body, and this will again become a cause for the swelling and the pain. Also with the clothing, you have to take into consideration what type of shoes you're wearing. Skip the high heels. They are not at all good for you because it doesn't give you the right posture to your whole body, and this time the posture of your body while sitting, while standing, while sleeping, everything matters a lot. Make it sure that you are wearing comfortable shoes or the slippers so that you have a proper cushioning effect. Next is to make sure that you are drinking ample of water during pregnancy. 8 to 10 glass full of water in summer, 6 to 7 glass full of water in winter, is good for you. Do not drink cold water. Always go for the lukewarm water, whether summer or the winter. Whatever you are eating, make sure that it is not having high quantity of sodium, that is salt, because this will aggrandize the problem of swelling. Last but not the least, you have to take very seriously the way you are sleeping. Your sleeping pattern matters a lot. Always sleep by your left hand side or the right hand side. Do not sleep on your back or on your stomach. This will again aggravate the problem of swelling in your body. It is always good to question your doctor about the problem you are facing whenever you are going for the next visit. That's all. Hope you have enjoyed this video, the information. If you like it, show the gesture by pressing the like button. We will catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy and stay healthy.